Hi everyone and welcome to the video edition of ITI Hand Compositor. I Ankita Jha from CollegeDekho will give you all the information related to the course such as highlights, eligibility, admission process, syllabus and job roles. Let's see the highlights of the course. ITI Hand Compositor course, important highlights. Course ITI, course name trade ITI Hand Compositor, course duration 1 year, course level certificate, eligibility 10th and above, admission, direct merit entrance, course fee, average fee will be 5k to 50k per annum, salary, average salary will be 1 lakh to 2 lakh per annum. Now, I'll give you all the details about the course in detail. ITI Hand Compositor is a 1-year vocational course that is approved by the National Council of Vocational Training (NCVT). The course is mainly designed to train in becoming a typesetter, hand compositor that defines the size, style, pattern from the work order. In ITI Hand Compositor, the candidates have to perform multiple tasks. A certain amount of creativity and latitude is required in the course. The candidates have to learn to assemble type and cuts in the galley for printing articles as well as for headings and other printed articles. The course is all about typesetting, anything by hand or machine. It is a non-engineering trade and it is opted by many students after class 10th. It is a short-term course and has a job scope in both the private and government sectors. Moving ahead to know the eligibility criteria of the course. ITI Hand Compositor course eligibility criteria. The candidates must have passed class 10th examination. It is desirable if the candidates have completed class 10th from a recognized board. The candidates from age group of 14 to 40 are eligible to apply for ITI Hand Compositor course. Now, I'll make you all aware of the admission process of the course. ITI Hand Compositor course admission process. The admission process differs from institute to institute, but mainly there are 3 ways to take admission in ITI Hand Compositor course, that is direct, merit and entrance. Direct admission, the candidates can apply on the basis of marks obtained on boards. They don't have to give any entrance examination. Merit basis, the institute releases the merit list based on the score in the 10th examination. And if the candidates have scored good marks in their boards, they get benefits out of it. Entrance exam, AICET. The admission in this process depends on your result in the entrance examination. It is a national level entrance examination. The candidates get 100% scholarship through this exam and if they score good marks in the entrance examination. There are multiple colleges for ITI, but I'll tell you about the few best colleges for this course. Government Industrial Training Institute, Paitan, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Industrial Training Institute, Hirakud, Odisha. Government Industrial Training Institute, Trichy. Government Industrial Training Institute, Udhampur. Industrial Training Institute, Mandvi, Surat, that is in Gujarat. Now, moving further to know the syllabus of the course. ITI Hand Compositor course syllabus. The candidates must be aware of the syllabus of the course. The syllabus for the course is divided semester-wise so the candidates can easily and gradually learn things. Now, the syllabus for the course. Professional knowledge, that is theory. Professional skills, practical. Employability skills, revision exercises, project work, examination and the internship program to gain industry experience. Now, moving ahead to tell you about the required skills needed for the course. The candidate must know about the skills that they need to have before choosing the course. Computer skills, creative skills, hand-eye coordination, time management, basics of English language, designing, monitoring, innovative, patience and flexible. The last and the most important point to inform you about the career options after completion of the course. ITI Hand Compositor course job prospects. There are several career opportunities in ITI Hand Compositor course. The candidates have the option to work in India as well as abroad. The job roles that they can do after the completion of the course are pre-press technician and worker, typesetter, typist, printer, technical manager, hand compositor, cutter, trimmer hand. I think I have mentioned all the important points related to ITI Hand Compositor course. To get more information on ITI Hand Compositor course, stay connected to CollegeDekho. Thank you everyone.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.